Hello everyone. Welcome to GIS and Engineering Academy YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss about climate change, climate system, difference between climate and weather, causes of climate change, and some of the impacts and solutions related to this issue. Let's start with the climate system. The climate system is a complex and dynamic system that includes the Earth's atmosphere, oceans, land surface, and cryosphere. These components interact with each other in various ways, exchanging energy and mass, to create our planet's climate. The climate system is influenced by a wide range of natural and human factors, including solar radiation, volcanic eruptions, greenhouse gases, and land use changes. Now, let's talk about the difference between climate and weather. Weather refers to short-term changes in temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric variables in a specific location, while climate refers to long-term patterns of temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric variables across a region or the planet as a whole. Climate change refers to the changes in long-term patterns of temperature, precipitation, and other atmospheric variables that have occurred over the past century, and that are projected to continue in the future. So, what are the causes of climate change? As I mentioned earlier, the most significant cause of climate change is the emission of greenhouse gases from human activities. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere, leading to an increase in the Earth's average temperature. The burning of fossil fuels for energy and transportation is the primary source of greenhouse gas emissions, although agriculture, deforestation, and other human activities also contribute. Other factors that can affect the climate include natural changes in the Earth's orbit, volcanic eruptions, and changes in solar radiation. However, these natural factors alone cannot explain the observed changes in the Earth's climate over the past century. The scientific consensus is that human activities are the primary cause of climate change. Now, let's talk about some of the impacts of climate change. Climate change is already having significant impacts on the Earth's ecosystems, water resources, agriculture, economies, and societies. Some of the impacts include rising sea levels, more frequent and severe heat waves, changes in precipitation patterns, more intense storms, frequent floods and droughts, and shifts in the ranges of plant and animal species. These impacts can lead to food and water scarcity, loss of biodiversity, and social and economic instability. To address the impacts of climate change, we need to take both mitigation and adaptation measures. Mitigation measures aim to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit the extent of future climate change, while adaptation measures aim to help societies and ecosystems adapt to the unavoidable impacts of climate change. Examples of mitigation measures include transitioning to renewable energy, improving energy efficiency, and promoting sustainable land use practices. Examples of adaptation measures include improving water management, developing climate-resilient infrastructure, and protecting ecosystems. We can say that climate change is a significant and urgent global challenge that requires immediate action. Thank you for listening, and I hope you found this lecture informative. For more informative video, please like and subscribe our channel GIS and Engineering Academy.